I'm saying to you, your doubt is the cause of where you are today. Your doubt. You doubted that man. That's why you are where you are today. Even when you are in church, you still have that doubt in you. There is a letter. I don't know where you put it. Go check it. Bring it for me last Sunday. I want to show you a mark. That is that paper. It's a satanic mark. Do you hear me? I can't hear you. It's the way you talk. Yeah. Do you hear me, madam?
Yes.
Where are you from? Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is big. It's Harare, it's then. Huh? Harare. You are from Harare. You know Che Guevara. Do you know Mugabe? He's your president. He's still the president. I'm not joking, I'm serious. Go, you check a letter. That is a letter that was 2 years ago coming to you. Check it, bring it for me. Make sure get it. If it's not here, call home. They must find that letter. There's something link you. And there's another book that you were reading in the past. You know, in top of that book is like religious stuff. But deep on that book, once you start the fourth chapter, is not anymore things of God. It becomes other things. Search also that book, bring it for me. Because like now, you have become in the spirit that we call of disappointment. Disappointment. You try to move with this one, disappointment. You try this one, disappoint you. You try this one, everything just goes in my car. And when you look in your mirror, what do you see? A beautiful woman, eh? You deserve to go through that. Eh? You deserve to go through that. To go through disappointment. Eh? So why are you going through that? What can be the cause? You don't know. You don't know. In your past, you had a man. Because this man didn't want to separate with you. And that man, though he's now married, he always cry about what you did. He does not even enjoy that marriage anymore. That's why you see today other people, you get a man, things does not go well. If you first fix what you break in the past, you will always break people at. And when you might let these children here, you always think like it's you the one who gets disappointment. It's just you the one man does wrong to you. But also you guys check also in your past. You will see that you have wronged a lot of men. Because you're dumping them, changing them like clothes. For sheep. You change this one, you take this one, you change this one. Oh, I'm tired to for sheep, you go to church. So I'm going to pray for you. And the most dangerous things about you got a big doubt and stubbornness spirit. And that stubborn spirit is not from God. You know you pray. Huh? You like to pray. Can I give you a revelation? Huh? Though you pray, sometimes your prayer is getting someone to come to you with no answer. Do you want God to assist you? Yeah? What do you do? She talks just like this. She's your friend. She's your sister. Do you talk just like this? Yeah. Eh? She talks. She's low, soft. Oh, come. Pray for you. I say one, pray for me. Check that letter. I can see you forget about it. Two, there's a book. Check it. If you don't find it here, all home. You must get those things. I will show you what to do with it once they are here. You hear me? So that you can get free. Because you are not free. Are you married? But you know what I'm saying about disappoint someone in the past. And although you are there, there's always a problem. And you cannot live like that in problem every day. You You look your mirror, you are beautiful. What the man is doing, is seeing you now. It's not what you saw the first time you see. Do you hear me? And then you are used to other some things that even when you were here, you were like confused a little bit because it's not something that you are used to. Should I pray for you? Or should I leave you? I should pray for you. You just talk like this. You should pray for me. That man here is blessed now. Bless him to just pray for you. Bring me that book. And when I'm touching you, I'm seeing again also a bracelet. You don't have it with you, but that bracelet is not yours. They already use it for wrong things. And definitely you see you appear where you stay. You just sit there, you didn't put your attention on it, but it's not there for him to build you. It's something to take it out of your place. Do you hear me? Because I know I can see who belong to that bracelet. I don't want to go in details here. Okay. I don't want to go in details about your disappointment. I don't want to also go in details about the bracelet. Because I can see where it comes from and who used it to come there. Once you use it, bam! The marriage is finished. Do you hear me? So I don't want to go in details. I say I can see where it comes from, and once you use it, the marriage is pure. You understand? So we make sure you go to see it, the bracelet, you go to see it, not so far. You will see, but 2 books that I'm talking about in the later, I want to see to make sure bring it, alright?